it's Katie and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So you can subscribe, the button is always down below. I post beauty, lifestyle, painting, and more. And in today's video, I'm going to be opening my BoxyCharm by Ipsy for January. This is my first one I've done in a while because I don't know what happened to the footage for my December one. And then before that, I was just not posting them as much. So I definitely want to get back to that. But yeah, let's just get to opening this. Ipsy I use, I believe, well, I don't know, the price keeps going up. I think it's like $25 a month plus a shipping fee of like $1 for the BoxyCharm. And then I also get the icon box, which next month is icon, and I'm always so excited for that. I don't know if anybody else is feeling like this with Ipsy, but I have like toyed with canceling just because it hasn't been as good. Like, yes, I'm excited about it, but like I feel like I also have a lot of makeup. Just sometimes I debate if I'll continue. But anyways, that was a long spiel. Let's open up this month's box. I can't even remember what I got in my box or like what I picked. It was so seamless to open it, unlike other times. So January's theme is a clean slate, and so it just says, welcome to the year 2025, when living in the future calls for a return to basics, only better than ever. And like, this is literally what you get nowadays. Like, you have to scan your box, and then it like tells you about things that are coming soon. Okay, so the first thing I got in my box is some brushes, which I actually am kind of excited about. These are the Life ones, and they come in like this netting, which I guess protects them. So it's just these two Life brushes. So you have a bronzer brush, which I'm so excited to use, and then this is like a tapered powder brush. This is what they look like. I think they're really nice brushes. I'm actually really excited about these. Sometimes you get brushes in these boxes and you're just like, what am I gonna do with that? But I feel like these are actually good and actually useful. I'm really excited about these. I'm just gonna pull up my app though real quick to like see more information on these, or at least try to. So these Life beauty brushes retail for $32 for the two of them. It's Essential Brush Face Set, which I feel like isn't not too bad. They feel like good quality brushes for sure. So I did pick this. Is from Katiexobeauty, and this is the Hydrating Lip Sleeping Mask, which I'm so excited to try tonight. This is what it looks like, the lip sleeping mask. I have like the, I don't know, like a nice silicone tip. So I'm really excited to try this tonight and see how it is. But I love a good lip mask before bed. Then I have this Dear Nova bronzer and contour stick, which this is really intriguing. This is in the shade, I don't know what the shade is. But it's like a dual-ended bronzer and contour stick. I actually really like that and stuff. So this will definitely be interesting to use. I love how this side's like angled too. So that's fun. I really like this. I don't really know. But this one, the brand Pear Nova. But I don't know. I feel like you see like highlight and contour sticks a lot, but not necessarily like something like this where it's bronzer contour. And I love just the look of this. I don't know what to say. I like it. Then I have the, I believe I picked this, the MZ Skin Hyaluronic Acid Hydrating Serum. Which I have been wanting to get into hyaluronic acid, so I'm actually like really excited about this. This is what it looks like, and then it has the dropper, of course. So I am so excited to use this. I think when I was doing like the Ipsy advent calendar for Christmas last year, I did get like a mini hyaluronic acid and I really liked it, but I've been wanting to get into hyaluronic acid, so I'm really excited about that one. And lastly, I got the Pure Lisse Blush Glow BB Cheek Lip and Cheek Duo, I believe this is, in Nude Sugar. I believe I also picked this one out, but this looks so nice. And I've heard of Purelisse. That's kind of the shade of this. It looks so pretty. Like, look at that. That's gorgeous. I wonder what it looks like on. Maybe I'll put like a tiny bit on. Oh, that is such a pretty color. And it really is like just such, it's like so creamy. So I actually love that. And the packaging of this product is actually kind of cute because it has like the flowers at the top. I absolutely love this. And I know these last few products, I didn't really give like information on this. I know my box was like retailed over $200 or something like that, but I'll definitely put the price points of all this stuff on the screen and stuff. But this is it for my January unboxing. I know I would do a lot of try-ons, but you guys have to let me know what you like, if you like an unboxing or try on better, because I definitely want to share more of my boxes this year and stuff. So let me know what you think about that below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to let me know what you got in your boxes as well, and be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.